Hey guys, I'm Tiana Michelle and welcome to my living room tour. So mostly everything that we bought for our living room came from Homegoods, Amazon, consignment shops. So this is our plant and his name is T'Challa and we got him from a local plant store. I don't know what type of plant it is because I'm not good at taking care of plants. My boyfriend is gonna be in charge of watering them and repotting them because if I was in charge they would die. But pretty much all of our plants came from the same plant store. And then this basket is something that we already had, so we just use it to the plant. And we have this plant stand inside the pot that we got from Amazon for like $8. And then over here we have our mirror that we got from HomeGoods. I just wrapped lights around it. I'll show you guys how it looks at night. It's a really nice, peaceful oasis. And I just really like this mirror because it fills up the space. Our ceilings are really high. That's like my favorite thing about this apartment is that we do have 10-foot ceilings. So I really wanted to fill up the space in here while still making it very comfortable for us. This is our money tree that we hope grows nice and big. And then this is another plant that we have. I think the planter came from HomeGoods, but I'm not sure. Is it from HomeGoods? It's from HomeGoods. And then over here is our egg chair that we got off of Amazon. And this blanket is from HomeGoods. I felt like it went really nice with our living room. And then we got this poof here from Target. It just looks good in front of this chair here, so that's where we have it. And then we also got our lamp from Target as well. It really goes nicely with our theme for our apartment. Here's another one of our plants that we got from a local plant store. This is a baby plant. It's a baby, okay? But once it grows older, it starts getting these little splits in the leaves. And I just think that's so pretty. And I'm excited to see all these plants grow because they're gonna be like really, really big. And next is our coffee table. We got our coffee table from HomeGoods, and then we also have coffee table. We have this sign that says it's a good day for a good day that I believe is from Hobby Lobby. Coasters are these little oak coasters that we got from Target to go with this oak platter to sit our succulents. Our succulents are potted in mason jars that we got from Goodwill. Our succulent in the middle is potted in a coffee mug. We also have some books sitting on top of here. We got the new guide to remedies. We got Tupac. And we have my favorite graphic novel, which is Kindred by Octavia Butler. And then over here is our sofa that we got for $360. It was originally $12.50, but we got it from a consignment shop for a very good deal. So we just added these pillows that we got from Target on top of it. This one's like a cream color, and then we have chocolate brown behind it. And then above our couch is an art piece that I got from an artist off of Instagram. Her name is Golden Girl. She has beautiful artwork. I really wanted to have black art inside of our apartment, so it was really important for me to find a good piece that would go in our living room. And by the way, everything that I'm showing you guys, I'll do my best to link it down in the description box below so that you guys can check it out, purchase it for yourself. But anyways, back to video. I got these little woven plates to hang on the walls from Hobby Lobby, and I thought that it went really well with this painting that we have. And then I got the frame for it from Target. So we have our TV mounted above my favorite part of our living room, which is the daybed. At the bottom of the daybed, it has these little cubby holes for storage. You can put like blankets underneath there, but for now we have snow globes, like some games and fake plants. And my favorite thing about this daybed is that my boyfriend actually built this. So comfortable. You can sit underneath the TV on the daybed, or if we want to have extra seating after COVID, when people come over, we can use this as extra seating as well. I'm standing on our rug that we had. We actually had to buy two because they were sold out in the size that would be big enough for our living room. So the split is actually in the middle of the coffee table, but you can't really tell. It gives us cushion on our feet, meaning that our kitchen and living room is like an open floor plan, and it's wooded floors, which, by the way, the color of the wood goes really nice with the carpet and the decor that we have in our living room space. So that is pretty much it for my living room tour. If you guys would like to see a full apartment tour, just leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember that your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and newer channel. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, I'll leave it somewhere up here for you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.